SINO Tech Machinery Taiwan Company Limited was established in 1984. We have devoted many years in researching, developing, and manufacturing. Our press machine can be used on many kind products stamping such as 3C products, automobile components, electronic components, general hardware products, aviation components, defense industry product, and mass-producing requirements with molds, etc. Selling records is in the worldwide and have highly commended by customers. SINO has professional stamping solution with years experience. Our company running concept, honesty in the first, providing high-quality product to create the benefit and value for both of SINO and customers. The leading model of our press machine recently is straight side double crank press SHD series, straight side double crank press with transfer robot TP series, straight side high-speed precision double crank press HS2 series. Straight side double crank press SHD series has high rigidity precision frame structure, high stability transfer system, high stability slide with 8 Gibbs, and recycling oil lubricating device, friendly electrical control system, easy operation and maintenance. Straight side double crank press SHD series has wide bolster area, which is suitable for metal stamping of automobile components and home appliance industry with high quality and precision. It is designed for blanking, piercing, drawing, and forming of relatively thick metal parts. Straight side double crank press with transfer robot TP series has high rigidity frame structure, high accuracy plunger guide device, high stability transfer system, high efficiency automatic peripheral equipment adapted. Straight side double crank press with transfer robot TP series is suitable for deep drawing product. SINO has the exclusive experience on such production line for years. We can provide the complete line of TP press, feeding equipment, 2D or 3D transfer robot, and progressive tool. Straight side high-speed precision double crank press HS2 series has high rigidity frame structure, high accuracy plunger guide device, special rigidity of press frame for high frequency vibration, and high efficiency automatic peripheral equipment adapted. Straight side high speed precision double crank press HS2 series is suitable for motorbike, bicycle chain, plate stamping, etc. SINO Tech Machinery Taiwan Company Limited is developing Industry 4.0 intelligent machine which can do the remote network monitoring and remote maintenance to save the cost of production, maintenance, and manpower, etc. to upgrade the whole efficiency. Combine automatic peripheral equipment, remote operation, provide customization, intelligent production line, upgrade to fully automated factory, helping customer get most benefit with best solution.